Neuralink beyond. How brain-computer interfaces are closer than you think. Imagine reconnecting thoughts to the digital world, typing emails, controlling devices, even regaining sight or speech with nothing but your mind. This is no longer sci-fi. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are rapidly transitioning from lab curiosities to real-world breakthroughs. Since its founding in 2016, Neuralink, Elon Musk's ambitious neurotech venture, has pioneered ultra-thin electrode threads, the N1 chip, surgically implanted into the brain by a robotic arm. By early 2024, the company achieved a major milestone: the first human implant in a quadriplegic patient, Nolan Arbaugh, who regained control of a cursor and played simple games by thought alone. Although some threads retracted, 15% remained active. Software refinements restored functionality, proving the concept works. Neuralink then implanted 2 more patients, one designing 3D CAD objects, another playing video games. More recently, the third recipient is a nonverbal ALS patient, now typing via thought, even using AI voice cloning to speak. The company has raised over $650 million, gained FDA breakthrough status, and launched trials across the US, Canada, and the UAE, yet Neuralink isn't alone. Synchron is innovating with its stentrode, a minimally invasive mesh electrode threaded into the brain's blood vessels via the jugular vein. Patients with ALS and paralysis have control devices, typing messages, operating smartphones, even navigating augmented reality on Apple Vision Pro, all without opening the skull. Its AI collaboration with NVIDIA, dubbed Chiral, is refining neural decoding and safeguarding cognitive privacy. Another contender, Precision Neuroscience, is focusing on surface layer implants, thin film electrode systems placed on the brain's cortex. Designed specifically to help paralyzed individuals type or browse the web, they hold FDA clearance and are moving toward permanent wireless human trials. Paradromics is also making progress. Its ConNexus system, fully implantable with near-infrared wireless links, translates brain activity into speech or limb control. Having earned 2 FDA breakthrough designations, Paradromics aims for commercial access in the later 2020s. Today, BCIs serve mostly therapeutic roles, reconnecting individuals with paralysis to the world. But early visionaries see broader horizons, restoring sight through Neuralink's blind sight implant, enhancing cognition, and developing AI-integrated brain coprocessors to augment memory or focus, yet the horizon isn't unblemished. Privacy experts warn BCIs could compromise the last bastion of personal liberty. Our thoughts. Tom Oxley, Synchron, and ethicist Nita Farahany argue for cognitive liberty, protecting mental autonomy even as neural data enters AI systems. Risks include manipulation, surveillance, hacking, or unequal access. Regulators are awakening. The FDA's fast-track designations, ongoing ethics discussions, and proposals for neurorights aim to balance innovation with individual protection. Academics warn of inadequate frameworks for networked BCI devices, advocating updated oversight to ensure some control remains in people's minds. What could the near future hold? Expect continued medical advances, more paralysis patients typing, new sensory restoring implants, and mental health interventions via deeper brain stimulation. Beyond medicine, we'll likely see consumer-grade neurosensing wristbands, earphones, or wearables decoding emotional or attentional states, and in 2 decades. Elon Musk predicts hundreds of millions may adopt BCIs for cognitive enhancements, memory backup, sensory expansion, e.g. infrared vision, or seamless AI integration. The road ahead demands not just breakthroughs in hardware or AI decoding, but also robust ethical guardrails. We need regulations ensuring consent, privacy, anti-abuse structures, and equitable access so BCIs enhance autonomy rather than erode it. Like, share, and subscribe.